Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best Undersink Organizer, the Kitstorack 2-pack 2-tier Undersink Organizers. This versatile and innovative storage solution is perfect for anyone looking to maximize their cabinet space and keep things organized. Let's dive right in. The Kitstorack Undersink Organizer comes in a convenient 2-pack, providing you with 2 sliding pull-out shelves to store all your essential items under the sink. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, bathroom, pantry, or even a closet, this organizer is designed to fit perfectly in narrow spaces, making the most of every inch of available space. One of the standout features of this product is its height-adjustable design. With 5 height settings, it accommodates a wide variety of items. From tall bottles of cleaning supplies to shorter containers, you can customize the shelves to suit your needs. It's an ideal solution for those who have a variety of items in different sizes, ensuring everything fits neatly and is easily accessible. Stability is another area where this organizer excels. The Kitstorack Undersink Organizer is equipped with 4 large suction cups and 2 nano-adhesive films to keep it firmly in place. Even when fully loaded with up to 50 pounds of weight, this organizer stays stable and wobble-free. This is especially important in areas like the kitchen or bathroom, where you'll often be pulling the organizer in and out multiple times a day. Another impressive feature is the material used in its construction. The organizer is made from thick, durable steel with a reinforced frame that ensures it can handle heavy-duty storage. The high-quality materials and thoughtful design also give it a sleek, modern appearance that fits well with any home decor. The elegant wooden handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing you to pull the drawers out with ease. The 2-tier sliding design is incredibly practical. No more bending down or kneeling to reach items in the back of your cabinet. The smooth pull-out drawers allow for easy access to everything stored inside, making it a breeze to organize your cleaning supplies, toiletries, or anything else that tends to get buried at the back of your undersink area. Assembly is a simple process that doesn't require any specialized tools, and once put together, the organizer fits perfectly under most standard-sized sinks. The product's dimensions are 15.9 inches in depth, 11.8 inches in width, and the height ranges from 13.8 inches to 16.9 inches, ensuring it fits a variety of cabinet sizes. Overall, the Kitstorack Undersink Organizer is a must-have for anyone looking to declutter their cabinets and make the most of their space. Whether you're in need of a solution for the kitchen, bathroom, pantry, or closet, this organizer provides stability, durability, and easy access to all your essentials. With its adjustable height, sturdy construction, and sleek design, it's the best choice for organizing under your sink. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews.